welcome to this channel. Today's tutorial will show us on how we can convert any website to an Android APK using our smartphone with no coding knowledge. So at the end of this video, I'll be dropping the app link, this app link that I use to creating apps, and also you can support by subscribing, sharing and commenting. Anywhere you are lost, please feel free to comment. I will without delay assist you and get you to on how to achieve that. So if you have this app installed, the first thing you do is you click on this plus, then we are going to create an app. Before creating an app, we are going to name the app. So my app name is web app. Then I click on advanced settings, I click on package name and change it to my company name. So I can change it to any name, any company name you like, your company name or any name, whether it depends on your choice, and the app name, web app. Then I click on create app. Then I click on this, click on library, enable this, is turning it on. With that being on, next thing I'm going to do with it is to add this view, swipe refresh layout. So in case the user swipe to refresh, so there will be a loading to when the app actually loads, to reload the page. So the next thing I'm going to do is add this, set it to match parent, set this padding as 0. Then I'm going to add the web view like this. So I'm going to come to my on create. Come to my on create. Next thing I'm going to do is click on view, scroll down. When I scroll down, search for this block, set refreshing. Then I select my refresh layout. Then I click on operator, I click on tool, I go back to view again, I search for web view load URL block. So there's the web view. I select my web view, then I put any random website here, depends on your choice. Any website is okay. Then I click on view and I click on this plus sign. I select on swipe refresh and on page finished. So now on swipe refresh, can decide to leave it like this. Then on page finish, then I click on view, I set for my swipe refresh, then I click on operator and rather than 2, I set it to 4, so it will stop loading, it will stop showing the loading animation. So when the page have finished loading, it will stop showing the loading animation. Then if user press back button rather than closing the app, and users have been browsing to some web pages, so we are going to show the previous web pages the users have gone rather than closing the app. How do we do that? We click on this plus button, then we select on by press to let us know when the users press back. So when the website has loaded and the users have been going from one page to another, I want to check whether the users can go back to the former website. So we use this to the former web pages the users have gone to. So we use this. We are going to check if it's possible for the users to go back to the former pages. By using this if block, we click on view, can go back, then we go back But if you cannot go back, there we only have the option to either refresh the page, by swiping down, or we close the app by using this block to close the app. So now let's run the app. Our application has been built and is being installed. Now you can see the website has been converted to an Android app, and it's still loading. So it's still currently loading. That's loaded, finish. So you can get these projects. I'll drop the link to get these projects in the video description. Please subscribe. So we press back to go back. If it's possible to go back, to go back. So when we swipe, we refresh. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.